This is Tim Wilson, on with a copy of OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video for the Nomad Funnel Hacker. So what we're looking at is a site called Answer the Public. It's by NP Digital, which is Neil Patel's organization. And it's a big organization. NP Digital is very big in a lot of things, but they're particularly known for SEO type products to help people get ranked high in Google. This is one of several tools that NP Digital provides. This is a paid tool. Let's take a look at the pricing. And right now he's running a special. So you could save 90% apparently. Otherwise, you are going to be paying these rates here for $11 for education account per month, up to $199 a month for the expert level. The individual level is also what you'll get if you get the free trial. But we're not going to get a free trial, and we're not going to pay. Because as is my custom, I always prefer to find things that are either free or have a free aspect that we can use. Let's go ahead and go back here. Because we can sign up for a free account at NP Digital for Answer the Public, which is what we're looking at right now. And you'll notice that it says using a free version of Answer the Public, 3 out of 3 free searches available today. Now, naturally, with the free account, we're limited on our number of searches, which is 3 per day, and certain other features will be limited, but it's still a very useful account. Now, let's go ahead and use Answer the Public and see what it can do for us. Let's search for SEO to start off with. Why not? We can choose our location. We can choose our language. Now in SEO, things like keywords and backlinks are very important. They may not be as important to you if you're a funnel builder or a copywriter, but that's where we can get still a lot of useful information for Answer the Public. If you're buying ads, it shows you the search volume. It shows you the cost per click. Of course, this is averaged out. And that's for Google, apparently. But then we come down here, we have this wheel. And this wheel will have all sorts of questions. And if you are writing copy for a website, it can give you a lot of questions. Or if you're looking for a subject for, say, a YouTube video, it can give you a lot of questions. You see, we have questions like, will SEO be taken over by AI? Why SEO is important for a website? Which SEO tool is best for YouTube? And so forth, because we are on the subject of SEO. We can also come down here. That's questions and prepositions. We have a prepositions type, SEO near me, SEO near me, Round Rock, Texas, SEO of Wix. So again, some more search terms that we have or that we can compare. And we have comparisons. And then we have these listings here. This is alphabetical listing. In numbers. And then related. And so there's just a lot of stuff based on that term. But the most useful part from the copywriting and headline writing part of view is probably going to be our first circle here, which is the questions. You notice there's a lot of headlines you see on a web page. They start with a question or a question that's been rewritten as a statement. Now, the other thing here, let's take a look here. If we go to Bing, you see it's recalculated that. Now it's loading up the results from Bing. So you can get different results here for different platforms. The other thing we're able to do is you can only have one project, I believe, with the free account, but we can download a CSV of that information. I believe that's a free feature. Okay, so it'll only let us export 30 keywords. 30 better than nothing. Let's go ahead and download it anyway. And let's take a look at it. And it comes as an Excel spreadsheet. And you'll probably have to expand this out some for it to make any sense. Okay. Those will still be useful. Hopefully they're giving you the top 30. But I can't guarantee you that. But you still get 30 questions you can use as part of copywriting or as a starting point for ask a question to find out information. Of course, we can click on here and see more results. But that's only if you're going to upgrade. So what we see on the screen is basically what you're going to get at the free level, but it's still quite a bit of stuff. Let's go ahead and type in another term. And it says to use 1 or 2 words for best results. Okay, for some reason it says 03 free searches are available today, so we may have already burned through them. I don't know what the second one went to, but that's okay. So again, we're looking at a similar type thing. And this time our subject is dogs. We have questions related to dogs, prepositions related to dogs, and so forth. That, again, we can download CSV if we wanted to. So that is Answer the Public. It's very good for getting those kind of questions that people are asking that you may want to provide an answer to, especially if you're writing copy on that subject or you're looking for something that you want to sell. In this case, we can find out what dog owners are looking for, asking for, searching for on Google or Bing or whatever. Again, we have our different platforms we can choose from. And that gives you a starting point instead of saying, well, what do dog owners want? Well, that's a big open field, but if you come to something like here, in Answer the Public, you can say, will dogs die if they eat chocolate? And that can give us something to look at. Are dogs colorblind? Can dogs eat bananas? Let's see what else we have down here. When dogs die, when dogs fly. Well, I don't think that one's going to go. Where did dog come from? Which dogs bark to these? Okay, that may be something somebody would be interested in. Which dogs live the longest? And so forth. That is the way I would approach using Answer the Public. Just remember, if you're using the free version, that you only get 3 searches per day. So you basically got to make whatever you're going to search for count. And it said I went through 3, so I'm thinking, I'm not sure, maybe I'll have to do a little research, that maybe when I switched from Google to Bing, that counted as one of the searches. That's probably what it was, because it recalculated the results. So I think that, yeah, that's probably it. So again, if you're going to be searching, kind of have a plan of your subject and which platform you're going to search for. Now, it defaults to Google, apparently. So that's going to be one of your searches already, and probably should be anyway, because Google is the most popular search engine. But for your other 2 choices, if, say, we were doing dogs, we might want to go with YouTube, and one of the other ones, like maybe Amazon, if we want to look at e-commerce products we can sell. But in any case, that is the free version of Answer the Public. I recommend using it. It provides a lot of good information, basically in the form of those questions. And I believe in using every free tool you can that's going to be helpful to you in doing market research. So that is the video on Answer the Public, the free version. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels phone builder. I make tutorial demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, web page design, funnel building, market research strategies, and the related tools for all those things. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.